Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel Excel Remix. So in this video we will discuss 3 easy ways to find day of week from any date. So let's begin. Our first method is use format cells method. First we will find weekday using format cells method. First select the dates and copy and paste them into the weekday column. Select the dates. Right click your mouse button. Select Format Cells from the context menu. In the Format Cells dialog box, click on Custom tab and type D for 4 times in the type box and click OK. Now all the dates are converted to weekday names. Now we will use text function to find weekday names. Select the blank cell and type this formula equals to text. Now select the date, comma. Under the inverted commas, type D for 4 times. Close the bracket and press enter button. Now you can see date is converted to day only. Now drag the fill handle down for getting all results. Now we will use weekday function. Select a cell where you want